And welcome back. Well, at one time or another, most of us have worried about how we're going to pay rent or how we're going to cover the next month's mortgage. When it comes to bills, there's no question that keeping a roof over our heads is expensive.
Isn't that for sure? So how would you like to be the winner of a very exciting contest and live absolutely free and clear for a year? It sounds too good to be true, but it's not for one lucky person or family. Rachel Schwab is here from the Equitable Bank because they are teaming up with today's TMJ4 to pay your mortgage or rent for an entire year. This is an exciting contest, and I remember last year we did this too, so this isn't the first year, and there's a great guy who ended up winning.
Yes, Chris Comp came on with us after he won. It was so exciting. We gave him a big check, and you know, he was just really thrilled. It's a real big difference.
And he was a teacher, I remember.
Yeah, he worked for, I think, the Greenfield School District.
And brought some students here.
Yes, he did, to see the set and how things work. It was so much fun. It was just a really fun competition.
Yeah, really cool. What a gift to give someone. I mean, that's that biggest chunk that a lot of people pay each month, you know, and it really can be difficult to make ends meet with that. You know, what excites you about this? Why do you guys like to be a part of this contest?
Well, the Equitable Bank has been a local community bank here in the Milwaukee area since 1927. One of the things that we do best is make mortgages so people can buy homes. So this is so cool, so fun, so grand. Way to say thanks to our customers, to the community, you know, just the people around Milwaukee.
And the best thank you someone could ever get,
right? Yeah, for sure. And to pay somebody's rent or mortgage for a whole year is one thing, but the fact that you're back and doing it again a second year is great. And people can enter. It actually starts tomorrow at our website, just so people who are watching will know. It's tmj4.com/win.
Yep.
And the exciting thing is that each finalist, we're going to announce weeknights on our 10 o'clock news live, and each winner will get a $100 MasterCard gift card. So even if you don't win the whole mortgage or rent thing, you still can win. And then there are exciting opportunities to have extra chances to win.
Yes, if you go to the, after you've entered the contest, if you go to the Equitable Bank's Facebook page and like us, you get an extra 4 entries.
That's
nice.
cool.
Yeah, and while you're there, make sure to enter our contest that we're having on our Facebook page, which is for an iPad mini. So just a little extra something.
That's not bad either.
Yeah, no, I love my iPad mini. It's the greatest thing on earth, if you ask me. So who can enter? Can anyone enter? Do you have to be 18?
You do have to be 18, and you have to be in the TMJ4 viewing area.
Okay. That makes sense. I think we want someone around here to win.
Yes, it's a local competition or local contest.
Yeah, and speaking of the 10 o'clock news, if people check out Wednesday night, John Milan's first key weather word, which is tonight. Today's Wednesday. Our producer just reminded me. Then you can check out that key weather word, and that also gives you another chance. And then the winner is going to be announced at the end of next month, so it's February 28th.
Yeah, at the end of February is when the contest ends, and then I'm going to bring that winner back on.
Yay!
And you'll get to see, you know, someone really excited who gets to have their mortgage or rent paid.
Yeah.
That's great. Is now a good time for financing when you look at just, you know, people who, you know, are just thinking in general about their mortgage to either refinance or finance a home?
Absolutely. It's a really good time to both buy a home or refinance. Our featured fixed rate yesterday was 3.42% APR, which is really, still really low. And people are starting to sell their house, and you're seeing houses move so much faster. It's a fantastic time.
And I think that people, you know, they've been watching the rates, and a lot of people are on the fence, but especially as we get closer to spring and you know that you're going to have that many more options, whether it's downsizing or getting a bigger house because your family's expanding or whatever it is, as you look towards spring and you look at the interest rates, it's a great time to start thinking about putting your house on the market and buying something new.
Absolutely, and the housing market has really started to pick up, and I think that people will be pleasantly surprised on how quick they can sell their house and what great financing they can get from the Equitable Bank.
It's fantastic.
All right, so here's the information for the Free and Clear for a Year contest. So you can enter to get your mortgage or rent paid for a year. Enter at tmj4.com/win. Again, it starts tomorrow, the 30th. The phone number, more information for the Equitable Bank, is 414-777-4411 or theequitablebank.com. And remember, you can enter to win more things by finding them on Facebook or following them on Twitter as well for that iPad and all the other entry forms as well. Thanks for being here, Rachel.
Thanks for having me.
Great to see you. Thank you.